Hello everyone, my name is Sam and welcome to my channel Tales of the Collector. So over the last couple of years I started collecting a lot of different things, and in this channel I want to share my passion, knowledge and tips about it. On the one hand it's to document my collection, and on the other hand is to share knowledge and also document the knowledge I have, so don't forget it for future references. And yeah, maybe it can help you on your collecting journey. So yeah, win-win. To start with, I want to first give a quick overview of all the different kinds of collections you can have. And we're not gonna see everything here, but there's gonna be a lot. So yeah, let's start. So first of all, you have Pokemon cards, which also have different stamps and promo cards. These are non-graded RAW cards. You also have graded cards. These are jumbo size. You have graded packs, but you can also have just normal non-graded packs that you open for the cards. There are different kinds of trading cards out there. So that one was Pokemon. You also have Yu-Gi-Oh cards here. You have Dragon Ball cards, and you have Digimon cards, and a lot more. We're also gonna have a look at the Topps cards now. So these are the sealed packs that I have. You have a lot of different types of Topps cards. So this one has movie moments, or actually frames from the movie, just a holographic card, printing plate, a one-of-one sketch card. You also have autographed cards from the people who did the voices, autographed cards after the fact that are graded and authenticated, graded cards. This one is a sealed pack from Topps from 1977. This is called the wax pack. I'll get into that in all different videos, of course. So yeah, those were the cards. Let's quickly put them aside. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the comic books. So you can also collect different kinds of comic books. I just have two examples here. These are really big ones that didn't fit into my boxes. And you also have great comic books like this, for example, from CGC. It's a bit more difficult to show you because they're so large. Yeah, so comic books, different ages, a lot of different stuff into the comic books. I'll have to give it its own video, of course. Then you have different types of art that you can invest in. This one is for example a statue from Vincent Valdemar. Babolux in chrome. There's also whiskey, as you see here. Whiskey bottles with a certain age or limited edition. We have watches, for example like this one, or the Omega. This is a vintage watch. We also have Funko Pops. I quite like these. Yeah, so we also have Lego boxes. These can be sealed. For example, different kind of expensive Lego pieces, or minifigures that are in those sets, like example these two. You can also have fossils, minerals, precious metals like silver, gold, platinum, palladium, copper. Or copper is not really a precious metal, but you can also collect copper coins or copper bars. With that introduction, we come to the coin section. So you can have different types of coin collections. I like to collect the really old ones. So these are Roman coins, for example. You can have them like this or graded like you see here. But you don't have to collect Roman coins. You can also collect new day coins. You also have Hot Wheels that a lot of people collect. For example, you can have action figures in the package, not in the package, or graded like this one. You also have different games that you can collect, graded or non-graded, graded like this one. So yeah, there are a lot of different things you can collect. And on the channel we are hoping to show you a few special ones. I'm also going to be doing pack openings from popular packs and hopefully a bit lesser known packs, so I can show you what kind of cards there are out there that you might not have known about. Yeah, we'll be seeing just a lot more than what I showed you today, but I cannot show you everything, of course, in this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.